Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to manage automatic download settings for sites on OperaGX. So the first thing you need to do is open up the settings option. Now to do this you can decide to use the keyboard shortcut, which is Alternate and P. And once you're there, scroll all the way down to see site settings. Click on site settings. Scroll all the way down until you see additional permissions. Look at the arrow of the additional permissions and you click on it, and then you see automatic downloads. Now sites can automatically download multiple files, so that's the particular option that is set there now. Now sites might automatically download related files together to save you time. That's what this option is for. Now if we want to set the default behavior, that is the behavior or the settings that all sites automatically follow once you visit them, this is where you set them. Now if you want sites to be able to ask to automatically download multiple files, leave this on. If you do not want to allow sites to automatically download multiple files, select this. Next, we have customized behavior. You see, apart from the default behavior, there are exceptions you want to make to your default behavior, then you can choose this. So you click on add. If you want to add, maybe it's a particular site you do not want to allow to automatically download multiple files. Here this affects all the sites, but this is for individual sites. So you click on add to add a site that you do not want to allow to automatically download multiple files. Then in this particular site you want to automatically download multiple files, that particular site alone, click on add and add it here. It's as simple as that. That is how to manage automatically download settings for sites on OperaGX.